Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I prefer to have something lighter, so I have some soak. This is soaked glass noodle here. I actually soak it under hot water for a couple of minutes. So this is probably like about 80 or 90% cooked already. Then I have some minced meat, yeah, and also some minced ginger, garlic, and also salted black bean. And we will garnish it towards the end with some spring onion. For the seasoning, I have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, dark soya sauce, Sautéing wine, prime soya sauce, light soya sauce, oyster sauce, and some fried garlic oil, and also fine salt. First of all, we are going to saute the garlic ginger. Give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in garlic ginger and also salted black bean. Saute it for the flavor to release into the oil. We come back shortly. Then we will put in the meat. Right, once we have separated the meat, we will tune down the fire to the lowest fire. We're going to start giving it some seasoning. First of all, we're going to give it some Sautéing wine. This will help to remove the gaminess of the meat, if any. A bit of light soya sauce. A bit of dark soya sauce for the color. A bit of oyster sauce for umami flavor. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder for those who have it. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any envied Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. This is optional, some fried garlic. Now we can raise the heat to medium. Ooh, now super fragrant. Look at how appetizing it already looks. Next thing, let's give it some hot water. Last but not least, our pre-soaked glass noodle. I like cooking glass noodle because it doesn't break easily like bee hoon. Yeah, very easy to cook. So our job now is very easy. Just make sure the glass noodle soak up the very aromatic sauce. That's all. Because this glass noodle is already like 80-90% cooked. Yeah. If you prefer darker color, just add a little bit more dark soya sauce. To me, this is good enough. See? All the sauce has been fully absorbed by the glass noodle, yeah, tang hoon. Right before serving, few dashes of white pepper, spring onion. Off the fire, give it a few stir, and our very fragrant fried tang hoon is ready to be served. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.